Sketchbook Tour! Wow, it's coming away. Yeah, I know. I have to do it. So let's go for a Gouache Sketchbook Tour. So it's quite random. There is no theme on this sketchbook. It's basically a lot of YouTube live, like this one that I did with Nora. We were together painting this cute lamp. You can still get the video, and all the video I mentioned, I will link them in the description. So don't worry, if you like something, go in the description and you'll see where to find it. Some birds, because I tried to match the opposite page with something else. So I did this one first and this one months later. Not exactly going well together, but still. Halloween, yeah, those two go well together. And I barely use black with gouache, but yeah, the black is so deep, so strong. This is Holbein. And the velvet, look at that, how gorgeous it is. Yeah, love those two pages. The fire was something to paint. A nice double spread page, and this one was really well thought, but not so happy with the result. I made the squirrel first in a live, and then I wanted to make a nice spread. That's cute, but I feel like it's not my style, actually. This is more my style, so I made this one first, and then this one with another live with Nora, by the way. So Nora is twice in my sketchbook. Like the flowers here, and I think this is a watercolor background. Oh, this one is a challenge, make a landscape in 5 minutes. I think it is. So it's kind of rough. You have to rush and you have to just go for the essential elements. No fancy details, just go for it. Ah, this one. I love those whimsical mushrooms, and I painted a butterfly to match the color. So I had this strong pink, which is opera pink. I love opera pink, so I added more opera pink in the mushrooms to match. Christmas. I know it's not the season, but it will come back again. So 2 Christmas paintings. I was having fun with the bubbles and the bokeh effect. This one is ugly. Skip it. Still Christmas, and you see I have some paint coming from another page, but I like my sketchbooks to be alive and not too precious about it. And I know some of you are cringing right now because it's more an art book than a sketchbook, but if you want, one day I will show you my messy sketchbooks in which I am making a lot of research, having fun, and don't care too much about being nice. This one, yeah, I must admit, I tried to be nice. And those two are made with the same color palette, which is the Iridori Spring Set by Holbein, with a very unusual green for me. It's a lime green, not the color I use a lot. I like the butterfly, but I don't like the flowers though. This one is really cool. I love it. I did that during a live session in the membership, and it was about rendering the snow. Looks a bit like the sea, and I like it. Well, I don't know what I was thinking about. It's certainly not finished. Skip it. And I said I wanted to match the pages. Well, it's an epic fail, because this one was made during winter and this one was made very recently. Yeah. Love this one. No pun intended. It's a Mylar balloon that we did during a live session in the membership as well. And this one is not really complicated to paint, but it requires a lot of patience. And then you get an interesting result, I must say. Heart on fire. And couldn't match something on the other side. Same here. Cute bunny with just 3 primaries, I think. Oh, another live session with Charlotte Hamilton, and her rendering is way better than mine. I had a hard time with the colors of the walls. Some greens, a lot of greens. Mixing greens was the subject of this video. And some lemons, citruses. Love this one. The light inside is really gorgeous. This one looks flat compared to this one, but the slices are just sitting on something, and here the light is coming through the citrus, and it has a nice contrast, and I love the colored colored shadows. Really very satisfied with this one. And here we are.